gentle. Just be gentle. Just be gentle. There you go. Good job. Wow, mashallah. That was good. Just pick it up like a baby. Pick the whole thing up. Hook the whole thing up. Pick the legs up too. There you go. Carry it. Yeah. Good job, guys.
Yeah.
You got an Egyptian in his natural habitat.
I guess. Okay, put it back here. But don't let go of it when you put it back here. Okay, hold on to it. Hold on to it. Okay, let go. Vito, you can let go.
Yeah, bro.
I do not.
You don't? I'll just sit in the back with it.
I'll sit. You got it?
Go ahead, Hadi. Start slowing down from here. Start slowing down from here, brother. Hey, don't think twice. Don't think twice.
Just push down hard. Right here? Yep.
You're swimming here now.
I want to do a little live video.
Huh?
There's lettuce.
No. No? He was going to do salad with it, but too much water.
That's how we do it at the man camp.
I should do this.
The Salt Bay guy, yeah?
Four developers that I PM.
What you making, Chef Tarek?
We are wrapping up a successful man camp, Alhamduillah, with 100% Halal beef burgers provided generously by one of our sponsors, Midamar. We play hard, work hard, eat hard.
So you don't have, is the bee of these fish?
No. Take some of your fillets.
And
then
this
just-
can absorb heat, I'm guessing?
Yeah, exactly. We'll dip them in some oil
Okay.
for that. But like banana leaf is much better. But then, so it doesn't become undone, what we're gonna take is just some, grass straws, or in this case, it's rye. And we're just gonna tie it, and then I'll cut them afterwards. Tie this tight, okay? Nice and secure. And again, this is in a situation where you're out fishing in a stream and a pond. You have nothing else to work with. You catch some fish, you clean them. Now we're gonna put them right over a fire and cook it.
Oh, so it'll be barbecue.
Yep. So you just go ahead and place that right on top, hot log. Let that sit and cook. Give it a few minutes. We'll flip it over as well, and then enjoy our catch. Okay, now let's see if we cooked it long enough. And perhaps we can sit around and eat like savage boys around a fire. All right. See how we did. Okay. Let's see. Nice, tender, all naturally raised, cooked, and caught fish. Melts in the mouth. Yeah, melts in the mouth. Try that. Oh my God. It's like smoked too. Man Camp 2026. Teaching the basics. Now, we're going to see how this worked out. So again, you want to make sure you use also a thick type of grass. Here in this particular case, we had some rye on the property. So we took it, we wrapped it again to hold everything in to make sure it just doesn't fall apart. And now comes the taste test.
Ahmed Square.
Yeah.
Oh, that.
Really, really good.
Smells really good.
Yeah.
Okay.
It hit me.
Moment of truth or that?
Moment of truth. Go ahead, boy. You do the honors. Bismillah. A little hot.
Amazing.
Is it?
Amazing.
I think so. I hit the old dusty trail.
The dusty trail.
I
Gonna go
my
with
my
the
spirits
wagon.
are still a little
Not
bit
the
down
classic.
Gonna bring the
Iowa
wagon.
side.
after our conversation.
No.
It went pretty well overall though. Nope. We got spotted, but like I had my hood on, so.
Cameraman.
Yeah.
This cameraman.
Make me famous.
What are you making? What happened to that marshmallow that fell on the ground? You can get it. It's dry.
You can't even pay attention. It's just so,
You're enamored by it.
so full.
Tastes like chicken.
Tastes like s'mores.